Crafting clear explanations. Transition phrases uncovered. Hello language learners. In today's video, we'll be delving into an important aspect of conversational English. We're going to focus on asking and answering questions, specifically how to answer with explanations using transition phrases. So, if you've ever wondered how to use phrases like because, since, and, for example, to clarify your thoughts, you're in the right place. Transition phrases are words or phrases that connect ideas and help your conversation or writing flow better. They're a key component of effective communication and are essential when answering questions with explanations. They make it clear when you're introducing a new idea or elaborating on a point. Some common transition phrases include because, since, and, for example. Remember, using these phrases can greatly enhance the clarity of your responses. The word because is often used to introduce explanations or reasons. It helps connect the answer to the question by providing a clear cause or reason. Here's an example. Question: why are you studying English? Answer: I am studying English because I want to travel to English-speaking countries. In this case, because is used to introduce the reason for studying English. Since can also be used to introduce reasons or explanations, similar to because. However, since is often used when the reason is already known to the listener or is a general fact. Let's see it in action. Question: why do you wake up early? Answer: I wake up early since I have to go to work. Here, since introduces the known fact that work is the reason for waking up early. For example, is a little different. This phrase is used to introduce an example that supports or illustrates your point. Here's how you might use it. Question: what kind of books do you like? Answer: I like mystery novels. For example, I really enjoyed reading Agatha Christie's books. In this response, for example, is used to give a specific example of the type of books the speaker likes. And that's it, folks. We've just explored how to use because, since, and, for example, to answer questions with explanations in English. Remember, these transition phrases are your friends when you want to clearly and smoothly express your thoughts. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep learning and happy speaking.